7 flashes pause 3 seconds on water heater. Flammable vapor sensor for a Rheem water heater. Where can I get one?
How long has this been going on? And how severe is the problem?
2 days.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, real easy to replace.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Do I have to rest the controller?
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. You can get one from a plumbing supply house that sells Rheem. Yes, you need to reset the gas control valve. I need a model number and probably a picture of the gas valve to tell you how. Click on Add Files next to the Send button to post a pic here.
Hi.
Hi, get back to me with that info if you want reset instructions.
Model XG40T06PV40U0.
Okay, unplug the unit, then wait a minute and plug it back in, then turn the temp dial all the way up then all the way down 7 times within 30 seconds of plugging it back in. You can try a reset if there are no vapors, flammable or otherwise, in the area near the heater. If it won't reset, then you need to replace the sensor. Sensor will also fail if it gets wet.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.